I'm Dr. Pixie McKenna. Now, while we know technology can have a negative impact on our sleep because it can keep us awake if we're on smartphones or watching television, it can also have a very positive impact, and that's in the domain of tracking your sleep. Research tells us that if you track anything, whether that's your exercise or your food, you will consciously make an effort to change bad habits. So tracking your sleep makes an awful lot of sense if you sleep poorly. But even if you don't sleep poorly, or you think you're a fairly decent sleeper, what we also know is that we can underestimate or overestimate the quality and the quantity of our sleep. So if we track it, we're getting an accurate measurement of how much we are actually sleeping. The other thing is that we don't sleep the same way every night. So you might have a terrible night's sleep one night, and then you might have much better sleeps the rest of the week. So it's a good way of getting an average of how you sleep. You may also pick up things if you track your sleep, like changes to your respiration or other bodily functions that might be a sign that there's something more serious in terms of a medical condition going on. So tracking your sleep is a really good idea, in particular for those people who are having sleep problems or who aren't waking up feeling refreshed the following morning.